sing the song that makes us so happy.
Yeah.
We could
Dance! This is a lift at TKmaxx Lakeside, and it's a OTIS GeN2 life lift. Capacity is 1,000 kilos, 13 persons, built in 2005 when it was the old GeN2, and now modernised now by replaced. Actually, it was replaced by an OTIS GeN2 life lift in 2025 last year. I'm hoping this lift does its recall, because I'm pretty sure it does. I reckon you're right. Yes, it does do its recall. Even though it was built in 2005 when it was old and then refurbished. Yeah, this was still replacing at the moment. Yeah, I'm absolutely impressed. I'm absolutely impressed about this lift. Yes, this used to be... Let's have a look at quick cab view. Hello. This used to be an OTIS GeN2 lift built in 2005. It was replaced by OTIS GeN2 life lift in 2025. Go down.
Yeah.
End on ground. When lift one. We'll be back here again once lift one is replaced. But at the moment it's replacing at the moment by... Whoa, and the Smile logo is gone now too. That's a shame. That's it.